Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
The chart guys, it's Tuesday, April 3rd. Going to do my video on gold. So gold, this 1 hour chart is what I'm watching overnight for those who want to pay attention to it. The resistance to be watching is at 1338.80, and the support that ideally bulls want to hold is going to be these higher lows on the hourly. So the first support is 1335.20, and then 1334. I really would like the bulls to hold 1334. That was the level that the bulls defended after the little bit of an oversold bounce there, and then pulled back, bought the dip here, and continued up. And you can see, let me see, that the next resistance here is at that 1338.80 to watch the high of the bounce of today for the resistance. So that's the main resistance and the main support I'll be watching if we stay in that range until tomorrow morning. Looking at the daily chart, just an inside candle, high and low within the previous ranges, high and low. And so we could just get tighter and tighter here on the daily, and we'll see which way it breaks if the inside candles do hold. And if the high of today holds today at 1346.60 as resistance, and the low of today of 1332.70 holds as support. Looking at the weekly on gold. Weekly on gold, we have lower highs right now, and so ideally want to break the high of last week to break to a higher high on this lower high weekly chart here, and that's going to be up at all the way up at 1362.60. Looking at the monthly again, I was watching these 3 consecutive monthly candles, and you can see that we have slightly a lower high on every monthly candle, and so the goal of the bulls is to break to a higher high on one of these candles. And so the high of last month, 1362.60, is the basically same resistance that I'll be watching on the weekly at 1362.60. And so that's what to watch on the weekly here. Support, we want to absolutely hold the low of this consolidation on the weekly here at 1303.60 for the bulls. So far we are holding a higher low, and so that is the must hold for me at this point on the weekly chart, this low here of 1303.60. And looking at the dollar, looking at this daily chart here on the dollar, zoom in. So daily on the dollar is set lower highs on the bounces, and we have a downtrend daily line, and we're right at that downtrend daily line. And so the support that to watch for is going to be the low of this pullback here of consolidation. For a support break for the gold bulls, they want to break below 89.822, and the bulls obviously want to break the high of today of 90.275, and then set a higher high on the daily and break this downtrend line and break above 90.445 on the daily. Let's look at the hourly, see if there's some hourly supports to watch for. So hourly already breaking support here on the US dollar. What ideally the US dollar bulls wanted to hold would have been the low of this consolidation here of 90.124. So the next support to watch is the low of today of, I don't think that's the low of the day actually. Let me just double check. The low of the day was at 89.849. So the next support on the hourly to watch for is going to be at 89.933 and then 89.849. So have a good night, and let me actually go to the miners as well. So gold, bull, miners, daily. We're in a bit of an equilibrium pattern here. We have the low here, a high, higher low so far, lower high. We'll see if we form another higher low here on the daily, and we'll see as this daily pattern tightens up which way it breaks. GDX, senior miners have the same pattern. Low, a high, higher low, lower high. We'll see if we form another higher low here, and see which way we break as we tighten on this daily pattern. Equilibrium is coming after a bit of a bull run here and setting a higher low on this daily from the previous low here. So it does favor the bulls here on this equilibrium for continuation, but need to wait for the break to confirm. And a bull break would be at this point 22.44 on GDX. Bear break would be 21.56 GDXJ. Bull break would be at 32.85. Bear break would be break below 31.62. JNUG, same patterns. Bull break above 14.46. Bear break below 12.95. And UGT. Let me remove these lines. Oops. Bull break above 25.98. Bear break below 23.12. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.